The Hindu calendar, often dismissed as myth or folklore, is in fact a marvel of ancient science. Welcome to Hindu Infopedia, where we explore the logic, brilliance, and legacy behind one of the most sophisticated timekeeping systems ever devised. Most people think of the Hindu calendar as a religious or cultural artifact, used for festivals, fasts, or astrology. But beneath the surface lies a precise astronomical framework deeply rooted in observation, calculation, and cycles of nature. Let's dive into the fascinating world of the Hindu calendar and uncover how it blends spirituality, science, and time in ways modern systems are only beginning to appreciate. Unlike the Gregorian calendar, which follows the solar cycle, the Hindu calendar is lunisolar. It aligns both the moon's phases and the sun's path. This allows it to track natural rhythms more accurately, from the changing seasons to planetary motion. The Hindu calendar doesn't just count days, it calculates tithas, lunar days, nakshatras, constellations, karanas, and yogas, each element synchronizing cosmic activity with human life. At the heart of the calendar lies astronomical precision. It's built on sidereal time, time measured by the stars, not the sun. The Earth's rotation and the Moon's orbit are central to how dates are determined. Tithas are calculated based on the angular distance between the Sun and the Moon. That means the calendar isn't fixed arbitrarily. It's responsive to the cosmos, constantly recalibrated through real-time astronomical data. Intercalary months, known as Adhik Mas, are added to keep the calendar aligned with the solar year, long before the idea of leap years was formalized. This isn't recent knowledge. The Vedanga Jyotisha, one of the oldest Indian texts on astronomy, laid the foundation over 2000 years ago. It categorized time in granular levels, from nimesha, fractions of a second, to kalpas, billions of years, a scale of time unmatched by any other ancient civilization. Ancient seers didn't just look at the stars, they measured them, tracked planetary motion, and predicted eclipses with astonishing accuracy. In today's world where calendars are driven by commerce and convenience, the Hindu calendar offers something rare, a spiritual and scientific synchronization with nature. Whether you're planning a ritual or reflecting on the passage of time, this calendar reminds us of our place in a larger cosmic rhythm. It's not just a cultural artifact, it's a living system of astronomical timekeeping that still guides millions today. We invite you to explore these ancient frameworks with a modern lens. At Hindu Infopedia, our mission is to bring clarity and depth to India's intellectual and spiritual traditions. If this video sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others interested in the scientific treasures of our past. This is just the beginning. Join us on this journey through knowledge, time, and tradition.